Hello and welcome back. This is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate on YouTube and the Secret YouTuber on TikTok. In this video, I am going to be doing an overview of the CryptoTab affiliate dashboard, all of the different promo material that you can use, and how you can use it in a WordPress website. So stick around, I give you just the facts. Let's jump into the video.
Giving you an overview of the ready-made promo materials, and all of these have your personal link. There are ready-made banners that are various sizes. There are posts, a lot of promo materials to attract new users. Send invitation to your friends and followers on social networks. That way you can expand your mining network and increase your chances. You have all different types of banners, and you can generate different sizes. You can use your different links. You can choose a theme with text, no text, mobile, mobile pro, and you can also choose a size. The 728 is good for the bottom of a WordPress post. The 468 by 60 is good for the top part of a WordPress post, and the 300 by 250 is good for a widget that you see on the sidebar. And you also have other sizes. You can choose your language and then click on the generate code. You will notice that the banners are animated, and you can change the link ID and you can change the landing ID. This is the landing page. This is called an iframe, and it's an HTML code. If you look at the HTTPS and then get CryptoTabbrowser site and then pb/number/ and then you will see an 8-digit number. That is your personal ID number. For the HTML code and the JavaScript code, all you do is copy either the HTML or the JavaScript, go over your WordPress post, click on top of the plus, start typing in custom, and you will see custom HTML. You will use custom HTML for your JavaScript. This is JavaScript here. For your custom HTML, right click and paste. Here is a difference. This is an animated banner with HTML. This is an animated banner with JavaScript. These are what you call landing pages. This is what your viewers will see when you use these different personal links. All of these personal links will go to different places. You can see a preview of where you are sending people. In order for you to see the page that you are sending somebody to, you will just click on the open. This will open the page. You will be able to see where you are sending people to, what the landing page looks like, what the preview of the landing page is. This is your personal link, which is also a URL, which is called a landing page. So you can choose from general, video, mobile, or simple. Are images that you can use for social media. You can use these rectangle ones for YouTube as part of a thumbnail. You can use the square ones for Facebook, Twitter, and any other social media. To download an image, you will just click on Download Image, a right click and Save Image As. Create a folder called CryptoTab Images and save your image. Here are some ready-made messages for quick sharing in chats and social media. Once you have created all of your accounts, then you can very easily just share this information. Then you can very easily just share this information. You can share to Facebook, to Twitter, to WhatsApp, to Telegram, to Reddit, to VK, to Flipboard, to Pinterest, to LinkedIn, to Line, to Tumblr, and to Viber. As an example, if you click on this icon, you will see that it pulls all of the text you can add a comment and then post to either your newsfeed or story, friends timeline, in a group, in an event, or a page you manage. And here are some other ideas for you as well that you can share to social media. These videos, if you copy the URL, you can add these videos to a WordPress post. Simply by clicking on the plus, choosing video, and entering the URL and choose embed. You will then have the CryptoTab video on your post that you can share. So you can use any one of these videos to draw more attention to your promo posts and increase your mining network. You can also copy the URLs and use them in your widgets. Go to your dashboard and manage widgets. Choose your location, the plus sign, YouTube video, and enter the URL. You can choose more than one location. Just click on the plus, YouTube, copy your URL,
right click
and paste.
embed,
and here is the video. Use the Sassy Share plugin to share the love and to share your post on the CryptoTab browser to up to 55 different social media outlets.
Thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will be notified of all of the other videos that I am posting. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay safe. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.